Happy Friday. For a lot of us, we have some sunshine and now some filtered sunshine since some clouds have moved in across much of West Michigan. Stanton looking fairly cloudy, as is Grand Rapids, a little hazy there in the distance too. Muskegon looking okay, and Ravenna just seeing some clouds, but the rain and the thunderstorms, those are farther south as expected. A storm over the Coldwater area right around the I-69 corridor is having a lot of heavy downpours and frequent lightning. So if you know anybody driving on 69, there could be some areas of ponding on the roadways, but that's probably going to be the biggest concern with any storms here over the near future, probably the next 2 to 3 hours. Some occasional lightning, maybe some 30 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts, and then that potential for some street flooding just because these are kind of slow moving storms and they do have a lot of moisture with them. These are all south of 94, continuing to lift to the north, and back behind there are some scattered showers for Berrien County along with Cass County and into Van Buren County. All of that associated with this cold front and low pressure system, which are pretty much right on top of us now. Some of us are ahead of the front and in the 70s, others are behind the front and in the 40s. So a very large temperature gradient across West Michigan at the moment. Benton Harbor 43 back behind the front, and we're 77 in Grand Rapids, 76 for Hastings, and 68 now in Coldwater. Temperatures will drop behind the front. For most of us, we will bottom out in the 40s here overnight. Lightning and heavy rain through about 8 p.m. will be possible with these storms, but that will lead us into a cooler weekend as high pressure comes down from the north. It will be dry, just a little on the breezy side as well. And then still watching for what could possibly happen Monday into Tuesday. We are still in that severe weather outlook here in West Michigan. In the short term here, we'll have a couple of more thunderstorms that will be likely moving to the north and east out of the area by 6 or 7 p.m. That's what's going on now. And then back behind the front, a little bit of moisture swinging in over Lake Michigan could squeeze out a few more showers, maybe a rumble of thunder between 10 p.m. and around 2 a.m. But we really shouldn't see anything extra from anything that happens after this first initial round of storms moves through. 43 overnight, continuing to be a little breezy as the backside of the cold front moves through. Otherwise, just those scattered showers through midnight, and then we'll be drying out. Cloudy initially, then seeing some sunshine tomorrow. Temperatures, though, only topping out in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees, and lakeshore areas could even be a little bit cooler than that. It is going to be quite breezy tomorrow back behind the front as well, with gradually decreasing winds. They'll be down to about 10 to 15 miles an hour as we head towards the second half of the day. Fast forwarding to Monday, we'll have the chance for a few of these strong to severe storms with the next system coming in late in the evening into the overnight. And then as that front continues to hang around in West Michigan Tuesday, especially not south of 94, there could also be a couple more scattered severe storms. So that'll be the next system to kind of watch for. Although we'll have this cool and dry weekend, we very quickly get back up into the 70s for early next week ahead of that system.